What does cosmetic mandibular identification without surgery mean? It is a procedure that relies on the use of non-surgical techniques to improve the appearance of the face. Filler injections can be used to strengthen the lower jaw and give it a clearer and more specific appearance. In addition, treatments such as laser treatments and radiofrequency can also produce similar results. But after the doctors rule out this because of the danger of affecting the vocal cords. The nice thing about these procedures is that they progress normal teeth of the shape without the need for surgery and thus recovery in a faster and long time. Security take advantage of your travel to Egypt and your presence here and take another opinion and do this operation or this procedure in the fastest time and the lowest price. Also, the prices of medicines here are much lower than anywhere else, and use the Circle Care team who will be with you around the clock. Call us on our line before coming. And if you want a discount on any tests or rumors, send us the word Circle Care on our phone or WhatsApp.